everybody, thanks for taking a minute to grow. My name is Dustin Cohn. I am this year's horticulture intern for the Soil Counties, and today we're going to be doing a plant spotlight. So the plant we're going to be spotlighting today is this Empress Rue hosta right here. So hostas in general like shade. They are shade plants, and they like between 4 to 6 hours of sun, and this hosta in this location gets around 3 hours of morning sun, because if they get sun, hostas want the morning sun because afternoon sun is quite bright and harsh, so it can actually burn the leaves of your plants. And also, the rule of thumb is the lighter the leaf of the hosta, the more sun it can take. So if you have more of a yellower color hosta, that can take more sun than this dark green foliage, because this will burn a lot more easier. So a little bit about the Empress Rue is they get 3 to 4 feet tall and 5 to 6 feet wide. They are one of the largest hostas in the world. And this one is about 4 years old. And when I first purchased this hosta, it was in a 1-gallon container. And it was pretty small. It was about the size of one of its biggest leaves. And as you can see, in 4 years, it's grown pretty massive. It's really enjoyed its spots. And that's what I really love about hostas, is they're pretty care, maintenance free. Like this one, all I do is after it's done blooming, I'll go through and remove the bloom stalks. And I'll also watch for its foliage, because we grow hostas for their foliage, and if you have like a slug infestation or earwig problems, you have to bait for those. And for that, I'll use like a Sluggo Plus, because that helps control the pest issue, because you want to see the nice untethered foliage. And then in the fall, once the plant dies back, I leave the foliage on the ground because that's insulation for the plant. And in the spring, I go through, remove the dead leaves, and then the hosta pops right out of the ground. And like with this one too, another thing I love about hostas is they can be divided. So when you divide a hosta, you pretty much dig it up out of its hole, like I'll do this fall. I'll dig this one up, and I'll just go through, and you'll be able to see where it kind of branches off into different plants, and you just go through and kind of pull them apart gently, and you'll have more plants. Like I could get a lot of plants out of this hosta that I can move to different shade gardens at my house. And that's one thing I really love about hostas, and this one in particular is just how striking it is, and that's why I wanted to spotlight it for you guys. Thank you for taking a minute to grow.